Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your history in Google Translate on your iPhone. It's quick, it's easy, and I will guide you step by step. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Google Translate app and make sure you are connected with good internet and you are signing with your Google account if you want to delete or clear your history. At the top right corner of your screen, you will find your profile. Tap on that. You will find an option called history. Tap on that. Now you will see the options to delete your data. On the top right corner, you will see three dots. Tap on that. Click on manage history. Here you will find option called delete. Tap on that. You can delete your today's search history, or you can delete custom range. Even you can delete your all-time data. Choose the option you want. If you don't want Google Translate to save your history in future, in the same data and privacy section, look for web and app activity. Turn it off. This makes Google Translate stop saving what you translate. Go back to main screen and open the search bar. Your recent translation list should now be empty. That means your history is fully deleted. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.